Hi, everyone. This is an explanation of how you will use the PowerSchool system to register for courses for next year. This is the course request screen. And when you log into PowerSchool, on the left-hand side, you'll see a menu for class registration, which is going to be enabled. It might not be enabled when you watch this video. And we're looking at the screen that a rising eighth grader, student who's going to be in grade 9, is going to see, but it is basically the same for every other student. So every grade is handled the same way. You'll see that it's going to say, welcome to the class registration system for next year. And all students must register for 14 credits. This is going to be the same for every grade. It's just that some of the prerequisites and some of the requirements are going to change depending on the grade. Over here on the side, you'll see this little pencil icon, the square with a line through it, and then a red exclamation point. You'll click to request the English course. And when you click on the little pencil, it's going to bring up this extra screen, which shows the courses that are available for a student in grade 9 English. It will also show what the recommendation is, and this phantom student has been recommended for Honors English by Mr. Recupero. So we will click on that and we select it and we click OK. Once we click OK, the red exclamation point will become a green check mark, and you'll see that down here, it has changed from requiring 14 has requested 3 because every ninth grader is registered into grade 9 wellness. From there, we'll continue. We'll just do this really quick. Let's say the student is recommended for honors geometry by Ms. Guglielmello and decides, I don't really feel ready for honors geometry. I'm going to select algebra 1. And in social studies is recommended for honors by Mr. Hallisey, is going to select honors. In science is going to select honors physics. And then in world language is going to select Spanish 2, at least as of right now, because this is all by teacher recommendation. When we get to the electives, you'll see that now we have requested 11 hours and we need to request 3 more. When we go into the elective screen, the elective screen for grade 9 is not necessarily as populated. And you'll see that this student doesn't have the availability to take something like Ceramics 1 because the student hasn't passed Art 1 yet. And it'll say the prerequisites have not been met. If we were to jump ahead, you'll see that this student was recommended for Graphic Design 2 by Mr. Barros, and we'll select that and Intermediate TV Video. And let's say the student also decides they want to register for Food and Nutrition. When they click OK, they're allowed to select between 1 and 7 courses. Once they get there, you will see that they have requested 14 credits and they're fulfilled. However, there's still a red checkbox. So down here in the alternates, they'll select at least 3 students. And let's say we'll just play this out. We'll just say for the 3 alternates, they'll select Art 1, Digital Photo 1, and it's still saying a red exclamation point because it doesn't have the third course. Well, once we select Fundamentals of Guitar as a third course, you'll see that this now turns to a green box, a green check box. We will click OK, and when we get to a non-preview screen, there will be a box at the bottom that says click submit, and your request will be finalized. It really is that simple. You don't have to worry about any of these other little icons unless you really want to. And that's how you'll follow through to select all your courses. Pretty simple stuff. If you have questions, obviously, you can see your school counselor.